A lot of traders, and I'm not going to talk about just the majority. I am talking about nearly every trader when they start into the markets. Here's the term backtest, and backtest is one of those words that is, I don't know if I'd say it's overused, but it is definitely overemphasized. And they go in, they do backtests on strategies, and then they get into live markets and they can't figure out why it doesn't work properly. And running on the right hand side of the chart works on the left hand side of the chart. What's up with that? What are you missing? We're going to talk about optimization here tonight, and you're going to understand why and how we apply it to AlgoBox and how to get those optimizations from us every week. Let's do this. Oh, sorry about that. Let's get into our training window here. So what is the deal with backtest? So we talk about the bow methodology. I'm not going to go into a whole lot of detail here tonight because we've got other videos on that, but we are going to focus on the optimization part. A lot of people, again, will do backtest on the left-hand side of the chart and I can't figure out why is it not working on the right-hand side of the chart, and why is it, just can't quite seem to get it in tune. Well, it's because you don't have this step right here. This is the optimization process. Optimization, I won't go into detail on what that exactly is, but if you are coming into our system and you would like to get the optimized ranges for the week, once you've already got a backtest on certain strategies where you know the strategy works, you know the strategy has edge, how do you know this week with the current market conditions that your strategy has the proper settings? That is what we're going to focus on here tonight. How do you get them with us here with AlgoBox? Well, you could run them on your own if you are a platinum member, or if you've got full auto and you know how to do that. We've got some videos on that if you want to run those on Lunchbot, although Lunchbot doesn't have too many parameters, so you don't have to really get much out of the optimizations. But if you were going to run things on headshots, two finger salutes, on legs for harmonics, you are going to need to know what exactly is the right setting. Is the right setting to be, is it 20? Is it 15? Is an impulse leg going to be 25, 30, 40? What exactly are those proper settings? Well, to get in tune each week, obviously the market is a moving entity. It's a living beast. It's one week it might be in 10s, one week it might be in 150 for impulse legs. So how do you know what that is? Well, that's exactly what the optimization process does for you. I'm not going to explain the optimization process here today, but I'm going to show you how you could come into our Discord channel chat and get our settings each week. Let me show you how to do that. All right, so by now we assume that you know how our Discord channel chat works, and you know that we've got quite a few channels on the left-hand side. So if you are a premium member, if you want to get the current optimizations for the week, which we talk about in other videos on how to load those into your chart, so I'm not going to do that here as well, but how to go and find them. If you're brand new with us, you watch those videos, but you're trying to go, okay, well, where's the optimizations for the week? So if you're a premium member, you're going to go to the premium members only chat, and it's going to be posted on a Sunday night, usually late, or early Monday morning before the market opens. And it's going to look like this. This is the optimization grid that we kick out each week. It's going to tell you on each instrument that we focus on. Again, here's our instrument list. Now, this can vary. Like right now, we don't have the FDAX in here. I pulled it recently for a couple of reasons. We can put it back. But each one of these is one of the instruments that we're going to focus on. If you are a Forex trader and you're asking about, well, hey, what about the Aussie dollar or one of the euro, the yen? These with the sixes, these are the primary three that we use and that we focus on here because they have some of the highest volumes and the narrowest spreads. So there's your Aussie dollar, there's the euro, and 6J, that is the yen. You can go and learn what those are based on your going blank there. On your own broker. Everybody's got different brokers, and these could be different symbols, but for the brokers that we're using, it's going to be starting with the sixes. So if you're trying to put these on Forex, these first three here are going to be the ones for your Forex stuff. You got crude oil, ES, gold, NASDAQ, Russell, and of course the Dow here at the end. So the focus that you need to look at here is going to be this secondary column right here. This is going to be the period. For us, again, if you've watched our videos on time charts are useless, you know that we use ranges for the wave charts. You're going to apply your wave chart right here. You're going to grab this column. So each of your charts, you basically only need to change one of those charts for each instrument. So if you're trading the NASDAQ this week, you're going to click on the chart there, and you're going to click into the chart, going to type 39R, hit enter. RTY, you're going to type 37R, enter. YM26R, enter, etc. And we show you how to do that in our other videos, but this video is to focus on those of you guys who come in and ask. I had a guy come in today. Again, we have this quite often, so we're going to put this video in one of our lists so you can do it as a command, how to find those each week. So on a Monday or a Sunday, you're going to find those in the premium member chat, and if you're coming into the public chat on a Monday or a Sunday night, you're going to find those pretty much, you know, buried in there. If you're coming in like today is a Friday, somebody asked on a Friday, it's hard for us to find. So somebody, you can ask somebody to post it in the room. So I went ahead and reposted this in there for you in the public chat. If you are not a premium member, you will need to find this in the public chat. You can kind of, you know, there's lots of ways to do that. You can search back to the Monday and see that posted, or if you want to go ahead and ask, and if somebody's generous enough to go find it, hunt it down for you and post it for you, then great. But you want to become a premium member so that you have easy access to this right in the premium members chat, where there's the most specifically laid out stuff for yourself. So if you're looking for this chart right here, it's going to be in the premium member chat or in the public chat on a Sunday or Monday night. Load up your charts at the beginning of the week, load them up, and you're going to have the proper optimized settings for all of our strategies. Hope that helps you. Have a fantastic weekend, and I'll catch you in the next one.